How to create sound effects with LOVO AI. For that, we go to the AI generator, then AI sound effect, where we have the sound generation section. As I mentioned, we have lots of pre-made sounds, right? But basically, how does it work? Well, we write our prompt describing what we want to generate, like a ball bouncing on a metal surface, for example, and then in the output we specify how long the sound effect should last. It could be 1 second, 10 seconds, 5, 6, 7, whatever. Then we click create, and that's how we make our sound effect using GENNY.